Hello, this is the overview video of the Komodo Nerf pistol. This thing I kind of 95% finished designing around the time that the Pigeon first came out as well, but I just haven't quite got around to releasing it yet, making a few tweaks here and there, but now I think I'm ready. So this is the thinnest yet still the most powerful Nerf pistol that you can get, and that's all because this runs off of brushless motors. So you can just see there how thin that is. And the brushless motors screw right into the frame. We then have ESCs under here, your microcontroller, and a LiPo battery along the top, so you can maintain that kind of sleek shape. So this is a dual stage trigger, so as soon as you pull the trigger back, it will start to rev, and then as you pull it back all the way, the mechanical pusher will push the darts into the flywheels. It's also got an ambidextrous mag release. So I'm going to pop that in, lift my thumb back, and it drops out. You can also do it on the other side, and it drops out again. So yeah, you've got gravity drop on there as well. This thing is pretty loud, but it's also able to hit 130 feet per second on worker darts. Just fired a few shots right now. Then you can just release that if you want, and you can twizzle it. Also, found quite a few good holsters for it because it is more thin than the normal bulky blasters. It's easier to find stuff that will fit. So you can run around with your main blaster at, say, a high FPS event, and then easily pull this out if you go into a building where you might be close to the people. So you can access the battery quickly if you need to through the front here by pulling out the front pin. And then this front section actually slides off like that, and you can disconnect XT60 and then block the battery. And the barrel does come out as well. So this first version I wired up with an Arduino Nano, and also needed to have a voltage converter because it was running off a 3S LiPo. But now Airzone has his an Arduino, I think, brushless micro board, something like that. It's a very tiny board that is designed specifically to make it easy to make brushless blasters. So with that, it's now a lot easier to wire everything up because it all just connects to the board. But I'll have a separate video which is a full build guide video that runs through how to do everything. Just some final features to mention is that this is a Katana Mag style only blaster, whether that's the proper ones or 3D printed variants. It is an angled grip for a nice amount of comfort, and also because it's using mini brushless motors, it does have to use custom wheels. Those are concave, which is part of the reason that it gets such good power. You do have to 3D print those, but I've done it myself, and as long as you print slow and good quality, those wheels will work great for many games.
Oh! I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry.